What's up, guys? It's JRCuber, and as you can see, I got a few packages from GFuel, and then I bought a tub of classified from him. So I'm really excited. I really liked this flavor when I had a sample of it from another guy in the Facebook group, so I'm really happy. This one is Mega Potion and watermelon. Because this one was on sale, so I was like, why not? This one is watermelon, and you cannot go wrong with watermelon. But yeah, I'm really excited to try them both. I have had this one before, but the old formula, and apparently it's changed. But yeah, Mega Potion looks really neat. I think I know what this one is. I'm not going to spoil it, though. I need to cut it really carefully. Yes, okay. Cool. Sticker, like the other one. And then I got the samples because I got the Electric Sky starter kit and the phase rug. And then I got clickbait. I'm just dropping the boxes. So, I think it's just a solid black. It might just be a solid black, yeah. But, yeah. I was just going to compare them. It looks about the same. It actually, the signature is different. The signature is different, but it's okay. They're rug shakers. I love rug. It reminded me of this shaker a little bit, but they're different for obvious reasons. But yeah, I don't know what this one is called, but I've had it for a while. But yeah, it kind of looked a little bit of the same. So yeah, I got clickbait. Apparently it's like a cherry pomegranate flavor, which is cool. And then last but not least, we have one more box. Ooh, that's different. Look at that. They added a new formula for ooh, black on blackberry too? Raging gummy fish, black on blackberry, battle juice, hype sauce too in a package. Wow, that's neat. Alright, so I got a new winter white shaker cup because this is like one of my favorite shaker cups is the winter white. I was waiting for another sticker. Yuzu slash. So excited for this. This is amazing. So I'm actually kind of sad there's no sticker to this one. I would have loved to see the sticker for it. But yeah, collector's box number, I think 3 or 4. That PewDiePie one, I think it just has like packets, like the old sample packets. Yuzu slash. Looks really awesome. The shaker looks really neat too. It looks like Sprite, honestly. But yeah. I got a few shakers today, which is cool. I got 4 shakers in total, but the winter white one is just a winter white, so it's not really anything special. But yeah, I got rug, electric sky, pewds, and winter white. And then as for the tubs, I got classified, I got clickbait, I got Mega Potion, and I got watermelon. And I got Yuzu slash. Alright, so I am back, and I basically have all these shaker cups. And I'm going to do, this one is going to be for Mega Potion, watermelon, clickbait, classified, and Yuzu slash. So yeah, let's get shaken. So I decided to go ahead and record again because I'm really excited for the clickbait one. Alright, so now for Yuzu slash. Oh, it's on my mouse too, man. Oh, I have no idea how Shock does this with his hands. He does it like this, but I don't have, like, nails to do it, like, properly. Ooh, yes! Right up top. I think we went on that. And I think all the ones that we had on top were the new scoopers, which is cool. But yeah, I'm excited to try them. I know making a full cup isn't really the smartest thing, just because I probably won't even finish one, but you know, it's for the video, it's for YouTube, and hopefully one day GFuel will sponsor me, which is cool, even more cooler. So yeah. Yuzu Slash looks like a lemonade. Alright, so we're gonna go back to Mega Potion and try that one first. It honestly, I don't like the color of this one. It's weird. It smells like Wimpa a bit. It smells like Wimpa a bit. Okay. It's okay. It's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. A lot of people think that it's not a good flavor. I got it because it was on sale, maybe because it's not a good flavor to a lot of people. But that's actually really freaking good. Okay. That's good. That's really good. I like it. Next is Clickbait. Ooh, it smells like cherries. I smell the cherry. It smells like cough medicine. No. I was so excited for this one. Please don't be bad. It doesn't completely taste like... Yeah, no, it doesn't completely taste like cough medicine. It's good. It's not an everyday flavor, but it's good. Just too reminiscent of the cherry cough medicine, and I need to change the battery on my camera. So, the last time I left off with the Clickbait, it was okay. It smells like the cherry cough medicine when I was younger, but it tastes okay. It tastes so much better than that. Watermelon, you cannot go wrong with watermelon. It tastes like a lighter watermelon. I like it. I like the new flavor. I like it a lot better than the old flavor. It's lighter, so depending on how much you liked the old watermelon, you might not like it as much, but I like it. It's a nice and light flavor, which is good for the summer. Classified. I've had it once before, and it was okay. It was actually really good, and I'm not really able to drink all the GFuel in a shaker cup because, you know, my stomach is smaller, so, but yeah. Ooh, it smells good. It's so hard to describe what it smells like. It smells like strawberries, yes, but it smells like candy, but it's not, it doesn't taste like that, but yeah. It tastes like bubblegum almost, but not the GFuel bubblegum. It tastes like strawberry Hubba Bubba. It's actually really good. It's really good. It's just really good. You have to try it before you buy that one. So, yeah, if you need samples, let me know. Next is Yuzu Slash. It's the most anticipated flavor, maybe, almost. I'm really excited. Ooh. Oh, that's weird. It tastes like an orange and lemon. It's weird. Whoa. It tastes like lemonade. But not like... Ooh. Not my vibe. I don't like it as much as the other flavors. To be completely honest. Wow. That was strong. That was a very strong taste. I don't know how to feel about that. If I were to rate them, I would put watermelon first, obviously. Classified, Mega Potion, and then Yuzu Slash. Yuzu Slash wasn't really my vibe. Wasn't really what I thought it was going to be, because it said, I think they said that it was a mandarin orange plus grapefruit, I want to say. And it's just like a lemonade, and it's really weird. But yeah, watermelon is like the best flavor you could ever get. Wow, that was a burp. That was a really weird burp. Yeah, but anyways, I hope you liked this video, guys. If you liked this video, give it a like, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe for more epic videos like this one. My name is Katie, or JRCuber, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.